everybody. So this mallet smash, which was one of my quickie mallet smashes that I did, sold, and I love the colors and I have resined it, and so I want to make another one with similar colors. So that's what I'm going to do on this 10 by 10 canvas. And looking at it, I just saw that there was violet in it. So I'm going to add violet. So I've got violet, Prussian blue, Payne's gray, and this has Upstart epoxy pigments of gold. So I'm hoping then that's mixed with pouring medium. A little bit of water. And I may sprinkle on some white with silicone just because, well, I don't know. I like the look of that when I did the plastic wrap hammer smash. I like the look of the silicone, but maybe I think I'll leave it out. I won't use it. I'll just do a straight up mallet smash. I want to tilt as much white off as I can. This takes a little bit of time. I love that one though. The one that sold. It's so pretty. This is the second time I've tried to remake it. The first time was on a big canvas, and when it dried, it just didn't look the same at all. I'm just going to peek and make sure that, yeah, get you back in frame. All right. So I'm going to start with Prussian blue. And this has iridescent medium mixed in it, which is, it is thickened. It's thicker than I normally do my paints, but it should still work. Now I've got Payne's gray. And then let's do the gold. I'm hoping that this works. So I'm filming this on a rainy, dreary Tuesday, but it'll probably show, let's see, Tuesday, I've got like 4 ahead, so Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So this may be Saturday or Sunday for you guys. I'm not sure. If it's Sunday, oh, look what's happened. I'm going to a brand new dog bar in Omaha. I'm super excited. And I know my puppy will be super excited. Alright, now let's do some smashing. Boy, that gold is sure strong, isn't it? It's pretty. Pretty colors. think I'm going to smash it some more. Maybe I shouldn't have done that. I think I just churned it up a little too much. Probably should have left well enough alone, but it's still pretty. I still like it. The gold, I can't wait to see what it looks like dry with that gold in it. No, I think I'm glad I smashed again, looking through the lens right now. I kind of like it. I like these areas. The edges are really cool. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch y'all next time. Bye.